To complete the Bitget Wallet KYC process, start by logging into your Bitget account and navigating to the account settings. Click on the verification option and select the type of verification you want to complete, either individual or institutional. For individual verification, you will need to provide your basic information, including your name, date of birth, and country of residence. Ensure the information you provide matches the details on your government-issued ID. Next, upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. The ID should be valid and not expired. Make sure the photo is well lit and all details are visible. After uploading your ID, you will be asked to complete a facial verification. This step is necessary to ensure the person completing the KYC is the same person on the ID. Look directly at the camera and follow the prompts to complete the facial verification. Once you have completed the facial verification, your KYC application will be reviewed. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of applications. To avoid delays or rejection, ensure all the information you provide is accurate and your ID is valid. Also, make sure the photo of your ID is clear and well lit. Institutional verification requires more documentation, including a certificate of incorporation, business license, and proof of address. Ensure all documents are valid and up to date. After completing the KYC process, you will have access to all the features on the Bitget platform, including higher withdrawal limits and advanced trading options. It is essential to note that KYC is a one-time process, and you will not need to complete it again unless you are using a different account or have changed your personal details. By following these steps, you can easily complete the Bitget Wallet KYC process and start using the platform without any restrictions. Remember to always provide accurate information and ensure your ID is valid to avoid any delays or rejection.